Okay, y'all. Today in the chicken coop, guess what I found? A fairy egg. Look at this, y'all. I've heard of this before, but I've never really seen one before, like up close. So I'm gonna crack this open because I want to see what's inside. Some people say it's like just the egg white, and some people say it's just the egg yolk. So we finna crack this open and see what's in it. And just for like comparison to my other eggs, let me show y'all the difference. These are the eggs that I'm used to getting from my hens. And basically, fairy egg, from what I've researched, is basically just the egg that's been laid by a hen that her laying process was disrupted for whatever reason, or either like this was like the first egg she laid or something like that. And I did have one who wasn't laying, so I'm guessing that this came from her. All right, we finna see what's inside. And I'm not gonna tell y'all like the backstory behind this because I probably won't even get it right. Like, it's so many different stories, but it's very interesting. Look up fairy eggs. The origin story of a fairy egg is really amusing. So I think y'all like that if you haven't heard of it before. All right, y'all, here we go. Oh, this is so weird. Ew, it stink. Oh my god, it stink. Ew. Oh, that is so disgusting. Oh. Okay, well, there you go, y'all. This is what was in that fairy egg, and it smelled putrid. Oh my god, that stinks so bad. Okay, y'all. All right, I gotta go clean this up and get rid of this. This is horrible. But yeah, fairy egg, disgusting. Okay, that was nasty. Um, yeah, I don't even know how long that egg was outside before I found it. So maybe that had something to do with it. It was like rotten or something. I'm pretty sure it just don't smell like that. Like if it's fresh, I don't know. But yeah, that was disgusting.